on your screens is the beautiful Vivekananda Rock Memorial where the Prime Minister currently is. He landed just about an hour ago in Kanyakumari and since has visited the Amman Kovil, the Amman temple right next to, in fact, where he touched down and then took a ferry, has reached now the Vivekananda Rock Memorial. He was escorted inside and he was seen wearing all white traditional look, wearing a veshti, and he's made his way inside right now. So we will of course look forward to images also that will come in of the Prime Minister as he reached the Rock Memorial. But let's show you all of the pictures of the Prime Minister as he was at the Bhagavati Amman temple earlier today. Hugely significant. It's one of the Shakti Peethas of the country. Many tourists who come here also visit this particular temple because of the significance and the symbolism that it holds. It's a temple dedicated to Goddess Parvati, and the Prime Minister was there, took part in a long darshan and now has made his way into the memorial as well. He was also gifted a picture of Goddess Parvati, after whom this beautiful town by the sea, Kanyakumari, is also named. Interestingly, where the Prime Minister is right now at the Rock Memorial, it's not just got a connect to Swami Vivekananda. So it's got a spiritual connect for two reasons. One is Swami Vivekananda. The other is it said that Goddess Parvati did her tapas there for Lord Shiva, which is why there's also a footprint of reportedly the goddess. It's called the Padamandapam, which means footprint, essentially means footstep. So that is another big significance of the location that the Prime Minister has chosen for his 24-hour meditation. If in 2019 it was Kedarnath, in 2014 it was the Pratapgarh Fort, this time he's come right down to the south, where land ends, to go ahead and go ahead with a penance, a meditation for 24 hours. And as we get you all those updates, it's extremely windy here in Kanyakumari. The sun is setting and I'm hoping that I can give you a glimpse of the sunset because Kanyakumari is known for its beautiful sunrises and sunsets. Let's take a look also at the big headline that's emerged from the Prime Minister's visit. And the last 24 hours, we've received a slew of political reactions. We are in election season. As we speak, the silence period has kicked off. No more campaigning for the last phase of polls, which is on June 1st. So the Prime Minister's visit to the Vivekananda Rock Memorial has been questioned by the opposition, who say that this isn't any sort of meditation or spiritual sojourn. This is a political campaign by the Prime Minister, which is why they've gone to the courts, they've appealed to officials, they've appealed to the Election Commission, saying do not allow any coverage of the Prime Minister's visit because they're saying this is a political campaign. Let's get you some of those reactions.
The Prime Minister's post-campaign spiritual retreat. Prime Minister Modi's meditation at Vivekananda Rock Memorial in Kanyakumari, coinciding with the silent period after the campaign ends for the last phase of elections. And with voting on June 1st, the opposition suspects to be a ploy to stay in the spotlight and send ideological messaging to the voters after the campaign closes.
या तो प्रधानमंत्री इसको मात्र 24-48 घंटे बाद शुरू करें 1 तारीख की शाम को, और या अगर वो इंसिस्ट करते हैं कि कल शाम को 30 तारीख की शाम को शुरू करेंगे जैसा कि घोषणा में आया है, तो ये आवश्यक होना चाहिए प्रतिबंध चुनाव आयोग द्वारा कि इसका प्रसारण न प्रिंट न देखने वाली मीडिया, विजुअल मीडिया के द्वारा प्रतिबंधित होना चाहिए.
The opposition has not only filed a formal complaint to prevent the broadcast of Prime Minister Modi's spiritual retreat, but also launched a coordinated attack, issuing strong media statements about the plan.
ये मेडिटेशन की जरूरत तो पहले थी, 5 साल पहले या 7 साल पहले, जब आपको देश के लिए काम करना था. अरे 10 साल के बाद तो आपको फुर्सत ही फुर्सत है. आप जितना चाहोगे उतनी मेडिटेशन कर लोगे. और दूसरा, वहां तो भारत की सीमा खत्म हो जाती है. उसके बाद तो आगे पानी पानी है, पता नहीं कहां चले जाएंगे उसके आगे.
मार्केटिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं और हम तो रिक्वेस्ट ये करेंगे कि प्रधानमंत्री जब ध्यान करें कन्याकुमारी में तो मीडिया पे प्रतिबंध लगा दें. मीडिया का क्या काम है? ध्यान में बाधाएं आएंगी. लेकिन आप देखिएगा, मोदी जी घुसा करके खूब फोटो खिंचवाएंगे और खूब प्रमोट करवाएंगे. चुनाव आयोग तो कुछ मोदी जी के खिलाफ कुछ एक्शन ले ही नहीं सकता, तो बोलने का कोई मतलब नहीं है.
The government, however, has dismissed the opposition's allegations.
कन्याकुमारी देश का एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट शहर है और इसीलिए मुझे लगता है कि प्रधानमंत्री को मेडिटेशन करने के लिए जाने का पूरा अधिकार है। इलेक्शन अभी हो चुकी है और कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट में इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम आना बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है।
For now, the Prime Minister's meditation program is already in the spotlight before it even began. Bureau Report, India Today.